Hello guys, so we have some breaking news. Fabrizio Romano just dropped one small update now. Say Arsenal don't agree personal terms with Noni Madueke. So when you see how Fabrizio Romano take reports, this particular story is a more on Noni Madueke and Arsenal story reported earlier today. The agreement on personal terms is ready and done, with parties advancing on details this morning. Madueke said yes to Mikel Arteta's projects. Club to club talks will start in the coming days. Now, when you see this particular report, I think Fabrizio Romano is supposed to tender an apology to Florian Plettenberg of the Sky Sports. That was the first person that said Arsenal have already made an offer to Noni Madueke. Fabrizio Romano can't say a lie. Florian Plettenberg double down on the story, say this story say 100 Arsenal give am offer. So now him go let Arsenal know whether he accept or not accept. Now him be personal terms now wey dey hear say he don already agree. Na him be the offer wey Arsenal give am. So now Romano dey come late to the party. Although I like the fact say okay, Romano say don break am. Say okay, that particular offer wey say na lie. Noni Madueke don accept the offer. So Madueke has agreed to sign for Arsenal. He said yes to Mikel Arteta's project. So now Arsenal and Chelsea go trash out the club to club figure, the fee, structure of payment, how e go be. Now, other questions wey you go bring out from this thing na say, as Madueke dey come now, does it mean we are no longer going for a left-sided winger? Because according to reports, Madueke can play on the left and Madueke can play on the right. But presently, he plays on the right for PSV, he plays on the right for Chelsea. So at Arsenal, I expect him to also play on the right and act as a cover to Bukayo Saka. Wetin happen last season? Na him give Arsenal sense to show say if Saka could have that kind of injury and miss 19 games, we cannot repeat that same mistake again and not giving Saka a befitting cover so that star boy go fit dey rest get. So that's the thing. Now for those wey say we don't like Madueke, we don't like Madueke, man, na chill. When the guy come, it's going to be a cover. Squad depth, squad depth. This is how we build squad depth. Now we don't get like 5 players now wey don dey close to joining Arsenal. In fact, 3 don join already. 2 are incoming in Noni Madueke and Muslera. So Muslera accepted personal terms. We are still doing club to club discussion with Valencia. Now you hear that Noni Madueke has accepted personal terms. We are still doing club to club discussions. At the end of the day, we end up signing like 7 or 8 players. So it's possible. You get? It's possible. If Muslera agree, end of the day, we sign up for Valencia. We sign Noni Madueke. We don't sign 5 players already. 5 players already. So once a striker just enter now, the left side they enter 7 players. If you benefit is the comment that's 8 players. Oh my God. And Roberta don't really announce himself. Like I'm very, very happy. So I just tell about this the latest news we have for you. So as we